My name is Alex Williamson. Our investigation had to do with species found among leaf samples in old forest versus new forest. Some of the background information with the invertebrates within the leaf litter. The forest floor is abundant with invertebrate life, mulch, and detritus. Common invertebrates found were diplurans, springtails, acarina, and chilopoda. Here are a few pictures of the examples that we found. The variables that could go into our investigation would be the types of trees. There was beech and maple. The climate, such as precipitation, the amount of sunlight each site received, also the temperature that also the one site was more hilly while the other site was a little more level. The objective was to determine differences that existed in invertebrate population between old growth versus new growth. Our hypothesis was that the new growth forest will host a more abundant population of invertebrate species, but not necessarily a more diverse. The factors that went into this population would have to be the new room for growth, large healthy trees, more shade, less tree falls, and it was more of a level environment. The location that we were at was Mount Union Nature Center. That's in Alliance, Ohio. The old site consisted of beech trees and more of a hilly area, while the new one consisted of maple trees and more of a level flat area. We gathered leaves in a gallon Ziploc bag from each site, so there's a total of 2 Ziploc bags. We also used a release funnel to extract and capture the invertebrates. As you can see here, is an example of a release apparatus. We collected the leaf litter and dropped it into the funnel. The invertebrates filtered their way to the bottom of the funnel. When it was heated, the invertebrates fall to a vial of alcohol at the base of the apparatus located down here. In the new growth site, we found 8 different classifications. The highest number would be the Columbola. We found 41 number of organisms that fit into that classification. We can go on to the next one for the old. In the old, it was told the same story. There's less organisms. I think in the new site there was a total of 63. Here in the old site there were 24, 25. But as you can see, Columbola still came out on top as the most common. The new growth showed greater abundance but equal diversity. Reasons, probably just a moist environment. We had to do a lot with that. More productive young trees, more leaf litter. It's more of a dense forest. Here it is, diversity values, Shannon Weiner indices. Here's for the new. Go ahead. Our conclusion, the data confirmed the hypothesis. The new growth forest will host a more abundant population of invertebrate species, but not necessarily a more diverse one. Here are our references that we used to complete the investigation. Thank you.